y equals to a plus bx is the regression relationship between one quantity, here is the miles, and another quantity, it's the fuel that you need. Now this is called the slope, and the formula for that is sum of xy divided by sum of x, and this formula is summation of y by number of data minus summation of x by number of data into b, the slope. So this is how we find it, and it's important to remember that they do not use the symbol x and y all the time. It is based on this is called the independent variable. This x is the independent variable, sometimes also called the explanatory variable, and this y is called the dependent variable. So that's the relationship, and whenever we are talking about regression, we are actually talking about a mathematical equation, and it is often called the regression line or linear regression. So this is how it all happens. Now we need to know this formula as well. This is the sum of xy formula. The sum of xy formula can be written as summation of xy minus summation of x minus summation of y divided by number of data, and sum of x is summation of x squared minus summation of x into summation of x, meaning summation of x whole squared divided by the number of data. So let's get started. So question number A, it's about we have to find a relationship between m miles and f liters, and obviously the independent variable is how much distance you travel, and based on that you spend fuel or petrol. So the first thing is find the equation of the regression line of y on x, y equals to a plus bx. So the equation would be y equals to a plus bx. So to find this equation is to find the value of a and the value of b. So let's find the value of b. For that we need sum of xy divided by sum of x. If you look here, sum of x is already given, so all we need to do is calculate sum of xy. So sum of xy equals to summation of xy. Now summation of xy is 8880 minus summation of x. Summation of x is 130 times summation of y, this is 48, divided by number of data. Now I need to know how many days are we talking about. Summarized below the data from the driver's records for a random sample of 8 days. So we are talking about 8 data. They're taking data each day, so there are 8 days. So let's calculate this. So it would be, now remember how the calculator works. The calculator can understand multiplication, addition, subtraction very easily without the use of even brackets, but it has a problem with division. So just keep that in mind. So we have to write 8880 minus, now this two would be multiplied and this would be divided, so we can write 130 multiplied by 48, now divided by 8. That would make it 8100. Therefore b equals to sum of xy is 8100, sum of x is already given, is 20487.5, and let me do it here. It's equal to 8100 divided by 20487.5. It's 0.395363, 0.3963. So this is the value of b. The value of a is summation of y by number of data. Summation of y is 48, number of data is 8, minus summation of x by number of data. Summation of x is 130 divided by number of data is 8. So multiplied by b is 0.39535363. So let's calculate this. Write it from here. 48 divided by 8 equals to 6 minus. Now let's calculate like this. 130 and this goes multiplication divided by 8. So let me write it like 130 multiplied by 0.395363 by 8, and this would be equals to minus 0.424649 minus 0.424649. Therefore, that's for the equation y equals to a is minus 0.424649 plus 0.395363x. So this is the equation they were asking for. Hence, find the equation of the regression line of f on m. So remember, the original equation was f liters and m miles. So that means this was in terms of x and y, but in reality the question was supposed to be like this: f, the dependent variable, equals to a plus b m. It should have been something like that. That was the idea, but our equation is y equals to, so when x equals to m minus 250, it's mentioned here, instead of x it is m minus 250, and y equals to f minus 100, we can put the value of them here like a substitution. Therefore, f minus 100 equals to minus 0.424649 plus 0.395363. So instead of x I can put m minus 250, so m minus 250. So let's bring everything on the other side except for f. So f equals to 100 minus 0.424649 plus this thing into m is going to be 0.395363 m minus this into 250 is going to be, so 0.395363 0.395363 into 250, 98.84075, 98.84075. So that's the thing. So let's calculate it. 100, so 100 minus 0.424649 minus, remember this thing is still stored in the calculator, so minus answer, this would be equals to 0.734601, 0.734601 plus, and this one is going to be the same, so 0.395363 m. So this is the equation they were asking for. Predict. So remember, this is called predicting data. Predict the amount of fuel used on a journey of 235 miles. Miles is m, so the equation would be when m equals to 235, f equals to 0.734601 plus 0.395363, and this would be 235, and we can calculate this and find the value. So 0.734601 is already written in the calculator, plus 0.395363 into 235. This would be 93.645, 93.645. So the answer is yet not done. Remember, this is in liters, so 93.65 liters of fuel.